Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 airbag light on issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An airbag light illuminated in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as a warning indicator staying on after startup or appearing while driving. Verified owner reports and service information show that airbag warning concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and electrical communication. One verified and frequently reported cause involves seat belt pretensioner or airbag system sensor faults. These sensors monitor impact readiness and occupant restraint status, and a detected fault can trigger the airbag warning light to remain on. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring and connector issues, particularly under the seats. Movement of the seats over time can strain connectors associated with airbag and seat occupancy systems, leading to intermittent or persistent warning lights. Clock spring-related problems are also documented factors. The clock spring connects steering wheel-mounted components to the airbag system, and wear or failure can disrupt communication, causing the warning light to activate. Battery voltage or electrical supply issues have also been reported. Low system voltage, weak batteries, or voltage fluctuations during startup can trigger airbag system warnings until normal electrical conditions are restored. Airbag control module or restraint control module related behavior is another verified consideration. Faults, internal errors, or communication issues within these modules can cause the system to disable the airbags and illuminate the warning light as a safety precaution. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include previous collision repairs, sensor calibration issues after seat or interior work, or temporary communication interruptions. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning the airbag system for diagnostic fault codes, inspecting wiring and connectors under the seats, checking clock spring function, verifying battery and charging system health, and repairing or replacing faulty restraint system components once identified. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 airbag light issues are resolved through wiring repairs, sensor replacement, or module diagnostics rather than full airbag replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, seating configuration, and electronic system design. In conclusion, a Ford F-150 airbag light on condition is typically linked to sensor faults, wiring or connector issues, clock spring wear, or restraint control module communication problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.